In the world of social listening, Infegy has been a pioneer in harnessing the power of artificial intelligence since 2007. Our commitment to innovation has let us explore the realm of generative AI and its potential impact on social listening platforms. At the heart of Infegy's data processing lies a rich history of integrating advanced AI techniques, neural networks, deep learning, and more. Our tools, featuring named entity recognition, multilingual sentiment analysis, emotional analysis, and content subject identification, empower clients with strategic insights for brand development, ad campaigns, and audience analysis. But as we dive into the nuances of generative AI and social listening, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges and limitations faced by platforms like ours. Generative AI applications, such as ChatGPT, Llama 2, and now Gemini, have revolutionized industries, yet integrating them into social listening platforms brings unique challenges. One significant hurdle is the size limitations when dealing with massive datasets. Summarizing large sets of data using generative AI tools proves to be prohibitively slow. Social listening platforms are constrained to analyzing just 50 to 200 posts, akin to summarizing a vast library by only reading a few pages. Moreover, the models themselves are slow and expensive. Processing large volumes of data takes an exorbitant amount of time, with models like GPT-4 requiring extensive GPU resources. The costs associated with using these models can reach thousands of dollars for a single query, making their practicality in social listening questionable. Using the volume of data that Infegy uses per query, it would cost upwards of $3,000 for the client to run a query through GPT-4. Generative AI, despite its impressive outputs, is not immune from errors. Hallucinations in machine learning can introduce inaccuracies and biases inherited from training datasets that skew perspectives in social listening analysis. Here we're showing you a screen grab from OpenAI's Playground and giving it a prompt associated with someone who's a computer science professor versus a gender studies professor. You can see that all of the names associated with being a computer science professor are male, despite many females proudly in the field. And this happens on the converse when you input a gender studies professor. Nearly all the names are female, despite many prominent males in the field. Finally, the unpredictability of generative AI tools adds another layer of complexity to their use in social listening datasets. Random outputs and non-deterministic behavior make it challenging to repeat analyses or track trends over time, turning these tools into black boxes that are hard to understand and harder to explain to stakeholders and executives. At Infegy, we stay at the forefront of technological advancements, closely monitoring and participating in research. While generative AI tools may have their place, they're not ready for seamless integration into social listening tools. Balancing excitement with a careful understanding of their limitations is crucial when making purchasing decisions for any software or social listening tool. Infegy, shaping the future of social listening.